वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् सर्वेषां स्वागतम्।
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते। अद्य गृहकार्यस्य किमपि चर्चा अस्ति वा? अहं गणे दृष्टवती।
From the last homework, I had a question regarding, the Anvaya Rachana and the sloka, Pujantam Ramarameti. There was a discussion about Madhuram, Madhurashtakam, Madhuram, which is a Viseshanam for the Pujantam, and then since it was a Viseshanam for the Kriyapadam, who wrote it? Somebody wrote it. I forget.
We'll look at that briefly today.
We'll look at that. Okay.
Yeah. So
also Samasta Padam Mahodaya.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Akila Mahodaya.
वदतु महोदय।
एकः संशयः अस्ति.
वदतु।
I'm just getting into this. Now, in Shatru Pratyaya, now I understand how it is, how it becomes a Pratipadikam, and you can decline that in all this, in the 3 lingas and the 7 vibhaktis. My question to you is, when the karta is aham, I was looking at the recordings. Why does it say agachan? I thought agachan was the gam was the dhatu. It says agachan for I. That is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana.
I understood your question, Mahodaya. Last week also someone asked why it is not changing according to the Purusha.
Correct.
That is a question.
Okay.
So if you see Shatru, is it a Nama Padam or Kriya Padam?
Shatru is a Nama Padam.
Nama Padam. So what are the things which we see for, what are the qualifying things which we see for a Nama Padam?
It is Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti.
Linga. So, we see Linga, Vachana and Vibhakti. Atra Purushaha asti va?
No.
So what are the things which we see, which we look at for Kriya Padam?
For a Kriya Padam, I look at the Purusha and Lakara.
Purusha, Lakara. So Purusha comes only for a Kriya Padam.
Correct.
Not for the Nama Padam.
Since
Agachan is a Nama Padam, it has nothing to do with Purusha.
Correct. Nothing to do with Purusha.
Yeah. For example, Gatavati. Aham Gatavati. Vayam paditavantah khalu. Vayam Tavatu pratyam paditavantah khalu. Aham Gatavati. Avam
Gatavatyau.
Gatavatyau. Vayam
Gatavatyaha.
Gatavatyaha. Uttamam. What will be the answer if it is Tvam?
If it is Tvam, same thing.
Gatavan or Gatavati. If it is a female, then Gatavati.
If it is a male, if Purusha, Gatavan,
Yuvam, tvam, yuvam, yuyam.
Correct.
Yuvam,
Gatavatyau,
gatavatyau, and yuyam.
Gatavatyah.
So there is no purusha change here. So whether it is aham, tvam, or balakah. If it is balika, for example, since we took gatavati, I am taking balika. Bala. Bala, gata, gatavati. Bale, gatavatyau. Balaha, gatavatyah. So it is similar to Tavatu is a Kridanta, Shatru is also Kridanta. Tavatu also is a Visheshanam to Karta, Shatru is also a Visheshanam to Karta. Generally, Nama Padam, they have to deal only with the Linga, Vachana, and Vibhakti. So, Atra Pashyamanga Chech, Gatavati, Ityasya Sta, Etad Strilinge, Ekavachane, Pratama Vibhakti. Strilinga, Pratama, Ekavachanam. Whereas Gatavatyam is Strilinga Pratama Dvivachanam. Gatavatyaha is Strilinga Pratama Bahuvachanam. So if it is depending upon the Vibhakti, it changes. So it has not, Nama Padam has nothing to do with Purusha. Only the Lakaras deal with Purusha.
Okay.
So,
Mahodaya, so all the Kridantas are Namapadam eva?
All the Kridantas are Namapadam. All the Kridantas. So far we have studied Tavatu, Ta, Shatru, Shanash we'll be studying later. These are then Tavya, Taniyar. These all are Namapadam. But they have a specific reason, a specific usage. For example, Tavatu and Ta Pratyaya, they are Bhuta Kridantas. They explain only Bhuta Kalam. Shatru is a Vartamana Kridanta, Shatru and Shanach. Whereas Tavyat and Aniyar is a Vidyarte Kridanta. Then other than that, we have studied Twa, Tumun and Lyap, which are Abhyaya Kridantas. They are Abhyaya. So all the Kridantas are Namapadam. All the Kridantas, Upasargas, Abhyayas, Samasas, Taddidas, whatever we study, we will be studying, all are Namapadam. Namapadam, they have the Linga Vachana Vibhakti difference. Only the Lakaras, Dasa Lakaras we study, no, they have the Purusha.
Dhanyavad Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, then Twa Pratyaya is also a Namapadam.
Satyam.
Then can it act as a Visheshanam too?
No, Twa cannot be a Visheshanam. It is an Abhyayam.
Okay, Twa, Lyap and Tumun, they
Tumun, they are
only
Abhyayam. They are Abhyayam. So Chit and Chana, they are Abhyayam, which are added to Kim Shabda. They generate the Vibhaktis. They act as Visheshanas. But not all Abhyayams are Visheshanas. Chit and Chana are some example. The Chit and the Chana particle are some Abhyayas, which when added to a Kim, they give, they act as
Visheshana.
Visheshanam. They act as Visheshanam.
Mahodaya, but do all Kridantas Kriyapadam Sochayate?
Kriyam Suchayati. Actually, this is the beauty of Sanskritam. So, for example, if you see, Ekanamsham. So, we have Dhatus. We have close to 2000 Dhatus. So, we have Namapadam. From these 2000 Dhatus, we have, we can generate lot of Pratipadikams. And from Pratipadikams, we can generate more and more words. So, see the Samskrita Vangmayasya expansion. This gives an expansion to the Samskrita vocabulary. On top of it, we create many Pratipadikams with the help of Kridantas. Then we can join two or more Padam or Subantam or Kridantas to generate more Samasta Padam, and the expansion keeps happening. That is the beauty, or that is a speciality of Sanskritam. So Akila Mahodaya was asking about Samasta Padam. Samasta Padam ityukte Dvayoho atava Adigayoho Padayoho Madhye fusion. So Sandhi we have seen, Ekanimisham. Shamitam. So Sa Prishtavati. So Samasta Padam ityukte kim? Dvayoho atava Adigayoho Padayoho Melanam, fusion. So Bahunam Padanam Ekapati Bhavanam. So we add two or more words to make a single word. that is a special beauty. Compound word iti Angla bhashayam uchyate खलु तदेव समस्तपदम् इति संस्कृते वदामः किन्तु तस्य अर्थम् अति गम्भीरमस्ति. It's not just a compound word. There is much to understand in the Samastapadam. For example, we say va Kalidasena virachitam. We call it as Kalidasa virachitam. So atra Kalidasena virachitam. Iti two words are joined. Actually, fusion of these two words happen and it becomes a Samastapadam called Kalidasa virachitam. Maheshwarani sutrani. Maheshwarasya sutrani. So Maheshwara sutrani iti. So atra Maheshwarani sutrani, they become Maheshwara sutrani. So two words joined together. They are fused actually. In Sandhi, you can split it. It's not a full-fledged fusion. We see that Sandhi in some places Nityam and some place it is Vikalpam. But Samastapadam is such thing, it is fused. That it cannot be separated. That is called as Samastapadam. That is the difference between Sandhi and Samasa. We learn in detail about Samasa later. Like Kausalyanandavardhanaha. Kausalyayaha Anandavardhanaha. That is Kausalyanandavardhanaha. So that keeps that we can have lot of. There is not it's not certain that there only two padam can be added. In some poets thing and all, there are at least some 3-4 pages running with Samastapadam. One single Samastapadam running for 2-3 pages. So that is actually the beauty. It goes deep and they add the first two word, then get a word, then add the next word, then it becomes big, and then add the fourth word. It keeps growing and elongation happens such that. Haraprasad Mहोदय वदतु.
Mahoday, then what is the difference between a Samastapada and a Samasa?
Both are same.
Both are same.
Samastapadam itukte samasam krutva ante yat padam bhavishyati tadeva samastapadam iti uchyate.
Okay.
Samasaha is the process that is happening. Samasa is the overall name given to the prakriya.
Okay. धन्यवादः.
अस्तु अखिला महोदय भवती किञ्चित् ज्ञानं प्राप्तवती वा समस्तपदविषये? विस्तरेण वयं समस्तपदविषये कोविदस्तरे पठामः. अधुना एतत् पर्याप्तम्. सो अस्तु इदानीं वयं मधुरं क्रियाविशेषणम् इत्यस्मिन् विषये वयं गच्छामः. So we have studied विशेषणं. What is क्रिया विशेषणं? Can anyone say?
क्रियायाः विशेषणम्
उत्तमम्.
adverb
क्रियायाः विशेषणम् उत्तमम्. सो adverb इति आङ्ग्लभाषायां यद् उच्यते तदेव क्रियाविशेषणम् इति वदामः. अत्र किमर्थं मधुरम् adverb इति उच्यते इत्युक्ते कूजन्तम् इति पदं स्वीकरोतु. कूजन्तम् इत्युक्ते आङ्ग्लभाषायां कथम् अनुवादं कुर्मः?
Singing or
cooing.
One who coos, right?
One who is cooing.
कूजति. यः कूजति सः एव यः कूजनक्रियां करोति सः कूजन्तं कूजन्तम् इति वदामः. टु दट् अत्र द्वितीयाविभक्त्यन्तं टु द वन् हू मेक्स् द कूजनक्रिया. यः कूजति तं यः कूजति तं तदेव कूजन्तम्. अत्र मधुरं कूजन्तम् इति अस्ति चेत् does the मधुरं go for यः or कूजनक्रिया?
Kujanakriya.
So मधुरं is not qualifying the person, it is qualifying the action. So it is क्रियायाः कूजनं मधुरम् अस्ति. शनैः कूजति वा, उच्चैः कूजति वा, मन्दं कूजति वा, वेगेन कूजति वा इति कूजनक्रियायाः विशेषणं. तस्य विषये किञ्चित् अधिकं विषयं दास्यति इति कारणात् अत्र क्रियाविशेषणरूपेण प्रयुज्यते. सो एतत् क्रियाविशेषणम् इति उच्यते. सः मन्दं गच्छति, सः वेगं गच्छति, तादृशं वदामः खलु. गमनक्रिया कीदृशं भवति? मन्दं चलति वा, उच्चैः वदति वा, अथवा वेगेन वदति वा इति इत्यस्मिन् यत्र क्रियायाः विषये अधिकं विषयं दास्यति तद् क्रियायाः विशेषणं क्रियाविशेषणम् इति उच्यते. अतः एव अत्र मधुरम् इति this gives more information about the kujana kriya rather than the Valmiki who is doing the kujanam. So it is considered to be a Kriya Visheshanam. And the next thing is mostly Kriya Visheshanam, or mostly, generally, not all, generally all Kriya Visheshanam are in the Napumsaka Linga Rupa. Napumsaka, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam. Generally, it's not 100%, but mostly all the Kriya Visheshanas are in the Napumsaka Linga, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam. So the Maduram is Napumsaka Linga, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam. Avagatam va?
So Mahodaya, Maduraksharam Maduram Kujantam iti Suddham va?
Maduraksharam ityukte kim?
Maduraksharam
Maduraksharam is explaining what? Is it explaining Valmiki, or is it explaining the Ramanama?
Ramanama.
So Maduraksharam is a iti Maduraksharam. Rama iti Maduraksharam. Maduram Kujantam. So this Rama iti aksharam Maduram asti. Maduram aksharam asti. Tasya sannadam Maduranadena yaha karoti. Valmiki Maharishi karoti. Iti arthaha.
So Maduraksharam here, it is Prathama Vibhakti, Mahodaya.
Maduraksharam,
Maduraksharam Kujanti. So
Dvitiya
Dvitiya.
eva.
Maduraksharam, Rama, it can Maduraksharam.
Rama
Maduram Kujantam.
Rama Sambodhana asti.
Otherwise, we cannot have a Pratipadikam, right? What is a Vibhakti form found in Rama? Nothing. So it can either be Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam cannot be used in a sentence. So it should be a Rama iti Maduraksharam Maduram Kujantam. Saha Kavita Shaka Maruhya Rama iti Maduranadena Saha Ramanamam Madati.
I thought Mahodaya Madhuram is Rama is Madhuram, and Madhuraksharam, it has beautiful words in it.
Anyway, Madhuraksharam. So you took Madhuram to Ramanama. Madhuraksharam. So that is what is given in the Madhuraksharam. Madhuram Aksharam. Kalu. Madhuram Aksharam yete tadeva Madhuraksharam. So once again, what is the need for Madhuram there?
Means the sound that is coming is Madhuram. By telling
so who is producing the sound?
Valmiki.
Valmiki Maharishi. Tadeva. Pujana Kriyayaha Anantaram Yatu Shabdam Praptavantaha Tadeva Tadu Madhuram Asti. Saha Maduranadena Rama iti Pujati. So Madhuram is more like the Pujana. It's like telling how Valmiki was meditating on the Ramanama. Already it is established that Ramanama is Madhuraksharam. Ramanama is Madhuraksharam. Madhuram Aksharam is this is a Samasta Padam. Madhuram Aksharam. Madhura plus Aksharam, Madhuraksharam. Ramanama is that Aksharas are very sweet. That Ramanamam Valmiki Maharishina Maduranadena Pujitam.
So Mahodaya Kim Pujantam Rama and Kidrisham Rama Madhuram.
Kidrisham, if you use Kidrisham also, that is fine. So it is more like Kidrisham Pujantam, that is also fine. I have it has been Atra Kinchit what to say? Atra Madhuram is iti Valmikehe Visheshanam nasti Madhura tasya kriyayaha Visheshanam iti Vaktumeva atra Katam Pujantam iti atra dattam asti. Katam vadati Uchaihi vadati. Kidrisham is also can also be used. That is not a mistake. But if we go into the depth, if we go a little bit deep, then we can get the idea that that Madhuram goes with the Pujana Kriya. More with Pujana Kriya.
Another perspective, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, this we are writing the meanings similar, not using the same words given in the poem, right? For example, Pratipadata, Aruhya is the word, and the meaning for it equivalent we have got Adiruhya. So where do we look up for this?
For that we have to look up in Kosha or Ashtadhyayam Kosha iti asti. Atra pashintu.
Where, like,
Ashtadhyayam.
which
So earlier it was
option.
in Ashtadhyayi. Earlier it was available in the main page itself, but now I don't see it in the main page. I have bookmarked it some time back, and I'm using that Ashtadhyayi Sanskrit Kosha. If anyone knows the link, they can send.
It's on the side, Mahodaya.
Yeah, it's on the side mostly.
It's on the side, and
There
you
are
could
many
just,
things
it's like
there.
3 lines, and then you click on that, and all those things come.
Yeah.
Additional
So
links to even
there is
Amara
something
Kosha
called
has.
more iti asti. Atra Kosha.
Here.
In the Koshaha. Okay.
This one. Koshan Veshanam.
Koshan Veshanam. Okay. And there you click that and you put that word itself.
If you put, it is like it's a tricky thing to do, because when you go to Amara Kosha, it will list lot of things, but we have to be very careful in choosing the correct word, because there are many. So, for example, for to mean earth, there are at least 41 words listed in Amara Kosha. Each has every meaning. Dharati iti karanat dharani. So, Prithvi, famous iti karanat Prithvi iti bahavaha arthaha santi. So try to go, what is the go with the context. Just don't go blindly. Go there, type that, see the word, and then don't write it. Go step by step and try to analyze the word. On what basis it is listed, then you can take the word. Kosha is really useful. This Kosha is also useful, but you can rely on Vachaspatiyam, Amara Kosha. Those are the dictionaries that are used in Kosha. For example, Ashayah. So atra Amara Koshaha, this is very famous. So mostly they are devoid of errors. Shabda Kalpadruma, Vachaspatyam. These are very popular and they are error free. So you can consider these Amara Kosha or Shabda
Just 1 minute, can you just say Aru here and then just demonstrate how the word comes for us to pick.
So sometimes we have to be tricky. We have to follow the reverse engineering methodology. So Aruhya is having mounted or ascended. So try typing ascended.
Okay.
That will help you, because not every time there's not the straight. It doesn't work every time. Sometimes you have to come the reverse way. Okay. So anyway, we have to cross check whether it matches the context.
Mahodaya, Sthapya. I wrote Sthapya. Aruhya, Sthapya.
Samapya va?
Sthapya.
Sthapya iti asti va? Sthapya ityukte kah artah?
Means Sthapit Kritva. Tadanantaram.
Sthapya is like keeping something placed, like
himself, he kept himself.
It's means, not like he kept himself, he climbed, ascended, or attained. Having reached that Kavita Shaka, he started doing iti eva artah. So look for something which matches more.
I could not find anything, so I wrote.
Yeah, just now I told you, no. So you can sometimes try the reverse way.
Yes.
So for example, sometimes you don't get, for example, Padam and all, and in the Agrima Saptahe, we have this Padam Ekam na Gachati. Padam, you won't get many words. Some words, they are very limited. So you have to use Padam. For many Abhiyas and all, you have to use the same. That's fine. It's not that we have to definitely find a Pratipadartha. Some words, they have lot and lot. So Abhi and all, you don't find many. So it's okay. We can reuse that. We can use the same.
Sorry. I wrote Asthaya. For Aruhya, I wrote Asthaya.
Asthaya seems better. Yeah.
Having ascended. It says having ascended.
Asthaya. Yeah. So having ascended. So you can, we saw no Aruhya. So you can use the same word, ascended or having mounted, and search in Ashtadhyayi in Kosha and find out the word related word. So that way it will be useful.
Mahodaya, can I say Aroganam Kritva?
Aroganam Kritva. Yeah. While writing the Tatparyam, you can write. Aroganam Kritva. Yeah, that is actually, that's not a mistake, but it's not a better way of explaining. Aroganam Kritva.
Mahodaya, but in test we cannot refer to the koshas.
What, Mahodaya?
While we write the exams, we cannot refer the koshas.
Yeah, that is fine. Exam point of view, mostly you'll be getting from book only. So you would have memorized everything at that time. That's fine.
Okay.
So the when we go through 2 or 3 times, you'll get to know what is what. So from exam point of view, that's fine. And if it is an open test, you can refer
Yeah.
from the knowledge point of view. That is we can either you can search for a word from Kosha, or you try to explain in your own words.
Actually, I tried on Kosha, Mahodaya. It was a bit tricky, so I couldn't
Yeah,
find
I
it out.
also tried,
Yeah.
but it was
So-
Arogya only and English words. So I thought Sthapya.
Yeah, you can try either you type the Sanskritam word and try to find out, or the exact meaning,
English.
and then check the context.
Mm.
You can try
So-
either, you can do the reverse
so,
also, but
Mahodaya.
make sure whatever it is, you have to be sure of the context.
Mahodaya. So you know, Aruhya and Adiruhya, they're using the same dhatu,
Satyam.
right? I mean, is that
Only the upasarga is different.
yeah? So is that acceptable? I mean, you know.
Yeah, that is fine. This pratipadartha, what is the ultimate way use of making us the pratipadartha is to expose us to a lot of vocabulary. That's all. So make us free to it will help us in our sambhashana. That's fine. It's not that pratipadartha you have to find if we are not Panini Maharishi and we are not going to find a new word. We don't have that much knowledge. It's fine. Mostly if you see in Gita Pravesha or whatever book, you'll find the upasarga changed or something like that. That's fine. That's acceptable.
In Lata, did we learn the Anvaya Rachana in detail like this?
It was in
Oh,
detail.
okay.
It is the same steps followed was the same, except that I think the Pratipadartha was allowed to write in English.
Okay.
English
And
also.
Mahodaya, for one question, we have to write one word only in the answer. That was a strict discipline.
What was it?
One question, if you ask one question, your answer should be that word only, the answer of that question only.
Yeah.
You cannot write 2-3 words there. So
No, that is
everything
for the
has to
Akankshana, you know, Ramena.
So it's not necessary that we have to like in this tara we can try with Tatparyam and all. You can try writing on our own.
Okay.
So it's not necessary that we have to reuse only that is replace the pratipadartha in the words available in the shloka. You can write on your own also. That is also fine.
Mahodaya, can you elaborate on that? What Rita Mahodaya was saying, that one question.
Yeah, even I didn't understand. Rita Mahodaya, please.
Please show your this thing answer. I'll tell you, Mahodaya.
Which answer, Mahodaya?
Just Anvedachana, Uttar Pattam.
Basically for the just this part.
The column.
Yeah. No. The question and answer.
Akankshana Kramena.
So, Kim Madhuram Kujantam. Ram Rama.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understood.
Just
so
that.
it can the answer to the question should be like only one word. So you can have to elicit question for each and everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then Madhuraksharam has another question.
Yeah.
Then the answer will be Madhuraksharam.
But when it comes to iti and all, we have to take it as a whole. Otherwise, we cannot write it because iti always go with a pratama. In this, like in Anvaya Krama for Maalatee level, like that is for Siksha level, we have from Bhagavad Gita. There and all, either it is like each and every word is only the name, or it is like a complete phrase. Phrases you have to take as it is. For names and all, you can either take it as one by one or as a phrase also. That is fine.
So here I couldn't find any question for Madhuraksharam.
What you said is right. In the beginning stage, it is right. Ultimately, what is the use of Anvaya? To arrange it in the prose order and get the meaning. Understand the
Yes.
meaning and expand our vocabulary. That is the meaning. So in the initial stage, it has to be like that, that you have to elicit question for each and every word in the shloka. But as we proceed, you can include the phrases also. That is fine.
Mahoday.
Madam, Mahoday, I have a question which is irrelevant to this. In this week's homework, on page 278 in Bhasha Pravesha, it is Gayate for the fourth word, first column. Everything else is Chatru, whereas that is in Atmanepadam. So is it a printing error or it is correct?
No, it is not Atmanepadam. Atra Pashyatu Patate. Is it Atmanepadam?
Oh, okay, okay.
Panchami.
So it is all the details, all the words given there are Shatranta Padas.
Okay,
They are
okay.
not Pratipadikam. They are only Shatranta Padas.
Okay, thank you.
अद्य वयम् अद्यतनविषयं गमिष्यामः इति मन्ये अस्तु अद्य वयम् ईकारान्त शत्रन्त स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं पठिष्यामः अस्तु
Even Akhila Mahoday, before you proceed, the same this thing with respect to this week's homework, when I had a difficulty in understanding that Gachan Pipiliko Yati Yojananam Shatanyapi. So Samanyartha Tatparyam is okay, I understood. But to put that into proper understanding with respect to Subhashitam, I had a difficulty.
You mean the Pratipadartham?
Pratipadartham.
Yeah, it is difficult to find. Yeah, if you see Gachati, you will find Yati. Yati, you will see Gachati. That is the only option. So there are many dhatus in Ashtadhyayi which mean go. But still, it's not in usage, or we don't feel like using that. I definitely felt it's not like something which give you the understanding of gum.
Yeah.
So you can either use gachan means yaha gachati.
Okay.
You can use like that. Pratipadartham, you can. That's what I said. If you are not able to find a word, exact word, you can give that explanation in Pratipadartham also. That is also allowed.
Oh, okay. Okay. Astu Mahoday. Dhanyavad.
So few shlokas are like that only. That is what I was mentioning. Even padam, I didn't find. There were not many words. Padam or padam or padam. Only charanam. It is totally different. Charanam means it goes to leg, something. It is not meaning step. So you can depending upon the context, you can decide. Astu, idanim shatranta strilinga.
And here with respect to agachan, my understanding, I was not very clear. Is it opposing to gachan where is used as opposing gachan?
Satyam. So agachan, there are two ways of using agachan is na gachati yaha saha agachan. So actually agachan and na gachati both meaning the same, but both are in the two different format. If you want to know more about this, it is a two-way, it's a two usage. I forgot the name, Paryudasaha, something like that. It is in Bhasha Paka 1. I'll share that in the group later.
Okay.
So agachan is something where na is fused. It becomes a samasta padam and it is fused with the word itself. Whereas na is standalone avyaya that goes with the main verb. So what is the difference means? Na goes with the kriya, main kriya, whereas a goes only with the word to which it is attached.
Okay.
So what will you?
Agachan. No.
No.
Is it it's not a lakara.
Agachan goes with vainateya.
It's similar to kridanta where it is negating the kridanta.
Negation.
Yeah.
Negation of gachan. It is fused with the padam itself so that it does not go anywhere. Whereas na, it goes with the pradana kriya padam. Two ways of negating. There is a specific terminology for each.
Mahoday, so what will you write as the dhatu for agachan?
Agachan, gam dhatu. Gam dhatu. It's not necessary that you have to go for dhatu because it is a pratipadikam.
Okay. So you don't have to.
Though it is from gam dhatu, like we said,
Krit only. Krit pratyaya only.
Krit pratyaya. So it is a namapadam. There is no need to specify about the dhatu.
Yeah.
In that okay.
Agachan is not a kriyapadam. It's a krudantam, namapadam. So any other doubts?
So we have learned this, and Haraprasad ji also will be knowing it. In Bhagavad Gita, we learned the usage of as 6, ways of using to a pada.
Yeah. Bhavaha, dharmaha, dharmaha. Just the negating the word to which it is fused. That's all.
Yeah.
There are 2 ways. I'll send that link. Otherwise, I'll attach that link with the key. So you can read about that and get more information. There are 2 ways of negating. One with the Kriya Padam and Nama Padam.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
I have one question. First of all, thanks for clearing all my previous doubts with the previous questions, because this is the first time I'm doing Anvaya Rachana completely. I did reference the Lata video and then only I went to it. But I did miss the 3 in the middle because I didn't understand anything. Hopefully I did it now. What is the, as in like, for Tatparyam, will it be the same as Bhavartham or just the string meaning as it is?
Tatparyam, Samanyartha is the general, overall or superficial meaning. Tatparyam, you can, if you want to make it elaborate, you can make it elaborate. Otherwise, keep it simple. You can just use the Pratipadarthas and create a sentence, or you can write in your own words. Tatparyam is just an explanation of the shloka on your own words. That's all. So we got the Anvaya, right? Anvaya is the prose order of the shloka. We know the prose order. We are going to explain that prose order in our own language, Sanskritam. That's all.
Astu.
Swa vakyena vayam likamaha. Tadeva.
No, but not just the prose order, but also, it's an extension of the concept behind what is written.
Yeah. Actually, it is the expansion of the topic given there. But if you feel like you can write. Otherwise, it's not a compulsion. At least you are expected to write on at least that. At least the Pratipadartha in the prose order or in your own words. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and write more.
And how do we grade ourselves? How do we grade ourselves? I mean, it's kind of,
That is the toughest thing.
We don't know whether you have to be strict or lenient.
Yeah.
Not only that. See, not only that, but each one of us, see, we might have made some mistakes in the sentence construction, right? So how do you deduct marks for that? I mean, I don't know. I mean,
yeah, that is 100% true, especially with respect to Anvaya Rachana. You cannot. There are many ways. There are many ways you can make Anvaya Rachana. You can write it in any order, any different method. There is not one particular answer to Anvaya Rachana. There are like that. There are few questions like in the next homework also. There are questions like the first 2 questions. They ask you to describe about something. So you have to write on your own word. That is a tricky thing, but we don't have graders. That is a thing.
No. I understand your difficulties, the teacher's difficulties. But what I'm saying is we could grade ourselves. So I try to, every little mistake I've made, I try to.
So one thing which I can say is, so go in the order. First think about whether, first confirm whether you are doing in Kartari or Karmani. Then if that is fixed first of all, then mostly you won't do any mistake. If it is Kartari, then check the rules. If it is Karmani, then check the rules. Major items, Karta, Karma and Kriya. The rest and all you have to think with the Upapada Vibhakti and all the other things. So with gradual practice only it will come. It's not that we make a mistake. We also make a lot of mistakes. That's fine.
No. What I'm saying is we should be using these grades that we give ourselves to judge us.
Definitely, this is not for judging. This is made compulsory so that you will take time to grade.
Yeah. No, I understand.
For that is the only reason. We are not going to look into each and everyone's paper and check whether what is the mark written or whether they have graded correctly. It is an option. It is then this only creates a chance for you to cross check your paper with the
with the correct answers.
Otherwise,
given.
we don't do it, right? If you are told to do self grading, then you won't have the opportunity to do check or cross check the answers. When you cross check, you will come to know there is one usage when you do self grading. You will come to know a lot of mistakes you do. When the grader is grading, you won't be notifying a lot of things. You just check where you go wrong, note it down and go. If you do self grading, you will understand the answer. So it is written this way. This is written this way. How can I improve myself? So a lot of things we can learn from self grading.
No, I totally understand. I think the discussion here is equally important because if the grader would have given, the correct paper, the answer paper would have given one explanation. I might have given it in a different way, but
Yeah,
some of the other students would give it in a third or fourth way. So it's wonderful that we discuss it this way. But I'm just saying.
Yeah, there is no in Asha Seva Kendram, there is no importance given to marks or even exam. We know Prashant Magde has never. I don't know whether he has attempted any exam. He's learning for the sake of knowledge. So we encourage people like that. So it's not for grading or marks or certificate or anything. It's for knowledge. So it's okay. It's fine. As far as we are learning and progressing, that's fine. अस्तु किमपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा हरप्रसाद महोदय?
Can we proceed, please?
Yeah, definitely. Almost 30 minutes over. धन्यवादाः. स्त्रीलिङ्गविषये वयं गमिष्यामः. इदानीं स्त्रीलिङ्गे रूपं कथं भवति इति का वदति? रुक्मिणी महोदय वदति वा? स्त्रीलिङ्गस्य शत्रन्तरूपं कथं सिद्ध्यति?
प्रथमा विभक्त्याः एकवचनरूपं whatever, looking at it, they remove look at because you're going, there'll be a three pratyaya added to the strilinga. So whether there is a pratyayasya purvam, whether it's a hrasva a bhavati or na bhavati. If hrasva akara bhavati chet, nakara will come. And I think that's the only rule, right?
So लट्लकारस्य प्रथम एकवचनरूपं प्रथमं पश्यामः चेत् तत्र अन्ते इ इति श्रूयते. पठति अत्र ति इति श्रूयते. तितः पूर्वं कः वर्णः अस्ति इति अस्माभिः द्रष्टव्यं. टकारः देन् अकारः अस्ति. अत्र अकारः एव श्रूयते. तितः पूर्वम् अकारः अस्ति चेत् प्रातिपदिके अथवा प्रथम एकवचने नकारः श्रूयते. नकारः अस्ति. पठन्ति इति अस्ति. लिखन्ति, गच्छन्ति इति रूपे प्रातिपदिके एव नकारः श्रूयते. इफ् तीतः पूर्वं ह्रस्व अकारः विहाय अन्ये किमपि स्वराः, ओकारः वा, दीर्घ ईकारः वा, आकारः वा, उकारः वा अस्ति चेत् अत्र नकारः न श्रूयते. शत्रन्तरूपे शतरि स्त्रीलिङ्गे नकारः नास्ति. एतत् व्याकरणविषयमस्ति. So atra so these are the major rules. This is a sulabha margam. This is a easy way to find out whether nakara is there in the strilingam or not. Shatranta strilinge nakarah asti va nasti va iti vayam avagantum vayam shaknumah. Karoti ityukte kim bhavati?
Nakarah na bhavati.
Kurvati iti bhavati. Atra nakarah na shruyate. Kurvati, grihnati tadrisham. यत्र यत्र रस्वाकारः विहाय अन्य स्वराः सन्ति तत्र नकारः न श्रूयते. एतदेव प्रधान मार्गः. शत्रन्त स्त्रीलिङ्गे नकारः अस्ति वा नास्ति वा इति अवगन्तुम्. एतत् अनन्तरम् अन्य विषयमपि अस्ति. षष्ठगणस्य धातुभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः धातुभ्यः विकल्परूपेण नकारः श्रूयते. एकनिमिषम्. धातुपाठं गच्छामः चेत् अत्र add filters इति अस्ति. So the षष्ठगणः अस्ति तुदादिगणः. 1 2 3 4 5 6 तुदादिगणीय धातूनां कृते सर्वत्र whatever dhatu it is शत्रन्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग रूपे we have vikalpena रूपद्वयं भविष्यति. रुषन्ति अथवा रुषति, लिखन्ति लिखति, तुदन्ति तुदति. एतत् अस्ति व्याकरणरीत्या गणविशेषं. So the first and the sixth gana have the same vikarana pratyaya. So in order to distinguish the two ganas, this is the one of the option. The Shatranta Strilinga Rupam has Vikalpena Rupadvayam asti. One is with na, one is without na. So the sixth gana Vikalpena Nakara Sahitam api asti, Nakara Rahitam api asti. तादृशं द्वितीयगणीयधातूनां कृते अपि आकारः यद्यपि दीर्घाकारः अस्ति तदापि विकल्पेन नकारः भवति, नकाररहितरूपं नकारसहितरूपम् अपि अस्ति. So it's not necessary that we have to go deep into that. प्रयोगे if you like लिखन्ति लिखति इति पश्यामः चेत् लिखति इति अपि अस्ति, लिखन्ति इति अपि अस्ति. It's not mistake if you write लिखन्ति also. So it's okay if you write लिखन्ति. अ अस्ति इति कारणात् नकारः अस्ति लिखन्ति. So even if you miss the sixth gana, second gana difference, it's not going to make much difference. So if you remember this rule, titaha purvam akarah asti chet nakarah karaniyah. Titaha purvam rasvakarah nasti anya swaraha asti chet nakarah na karaniyah. So this is enough for finding the Shatranta Strilinga Rupam. Now vadatu Mahoday, Ramachandran.
Sorry, how you went to the ganas in the Tadhyai?
एकनिमिषम्. अत्र पश्यतु, अष्टाध्यायी धातुपाठं गच्छतु. गत्वा अत्र add filters इति अस्ति. तत्र गत्वा you can filter based on gana or antargana or padam or idagamaha something or based on the dhatu type or whatever it is. So if I want to get the dhatus which parasmaipadi dhatus of the sixth gana, I can check tudadi as well as parasmaipadam. So if it is tudadi, it is 174 dhatus. So that means in tudadi gana, in the sixth gana, there are 174 dhatus. And if I want only the parasmaipadi dhatus, then it reduces to 151. So you can narrow your search and then you can get the dhatu you want.
Well, I don't get that add your filters. That's amazing. I'll just search.
I think you have to update the site.
Thank you.
अस्तु अस्तु, इदानीं किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. किमपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा अस्मिन् विषये? So if you are able to remember that तीतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति इति दृष्ट्वा नकारः करणीयः वा न करणीयः वा इति चिन्तयित्वा तदनन्तरं करोतु. अत्र वदतु महोदय.
Mahodaya, I thought for Strilinga I can just use it like nadi shabda.
Yeah, satyam. Nadi shabdamev kurvati. Nadi iti pratipadikam asti kala. Nadi ityasya antima varnaha kaha?
E.
Ikaraha. Atra kurvati ityasya antima varnaha kaha?
Same. E.
Ikaraha. Likanti ityasya antima varnaha kaha? Ikaraha. Kintu atra bedah asti. Atra nakaraha nasti, atra nakaraha asti. आदिपदिके एव एषः भेदः अस्ति अत्र. We did not have this problem with Pullinga. In Pullinga it is केवलं पठत्. प्रातिपदिके नकारः नास्ति. We get the nakara only in the patan, patantau, patantah, patan, patantau. Only the until the 5. If you leave the Sambodhana Pradama, you will have this nakara only in the Pratama Vibhakti and Dvitiya, and that one in the Bahuvachana.
So that is the Subanta Pratyaya.
That is the Supratyaya. We are getting the nakara in the Pullinga Rupam because of the Supratyaya. If you see from Tritiya Vibhakti, there is no nakara.
Yeah.
Right? There is no nakara in the Pullinga Shatranta Rupam from Tritiya Vibhakti. Whereas it is not the case with Strilingam. In Strilingam, we have the nakara in the Pratipadikam itself. So it will have all through the Vibhaktis. So there is a minor difference. So that will not happen in case of Kurvati. If Titaha Purvam Rasva Akaraha Nasti Chet, it is Kurvati only. Pratipadike eva Nakaraha Nasti, Ataha Kurvati, Kurvatya, Kurvatyaha, Sarvatra, Sarvasu Vibhaktishu, Nakaraha na Shuyate. So that is the reason why we look for the Titaha Purvam Kim Asti.
Okay. Ah.
Will we learn the sup pratyayas?
No.
Because it's different.
No, supratyas and all, they come under the Panini Ashtadhya, Subandha Prakaranam iti asti. So, Kovidastare api, vayam Subandhana, Supratyayanam Vishaye, vayam kimapi na patamaha. Kevalam jnanam Supratyayaha, Subandhanam Anteshu Yojyate, iti eva vayam janimaha. Tat Vishaye vayam patamaha chet, we have to either go for Pushpa Dikshit Mahodaya's Panini Ashtadhya iti adrasham.
Mahoday, sorry.
I just go ahead, Rita Mahoday.
No, you go.
का वदति? रुक्मणी महोदय वदतु, भवत्याः संशयं समापयित्वा अग्रे गमिष्यामि.
Okay, so so we just have to know that for the Subanta, for the Shatru Pratyaya, Strilinga, it is Ti, Dirgha Ti.
Ikaraha eva. So whatever, there is a E Pratyaya added.
Oh,
there is a Pratyaya called E Pratyaya. Patat iti Pullingasya Pratipatikam asti. Patat. Tadanantaram vayam E Pratyaya. I am not sure about what this E Pratyaya is. I have a guess that it should be a Stri Pratyaya. Stri Pratyaya is nothing but Samanaarthaka Shabdeshu Stritvam Dyotayatum Yat Pratyayam vayam yojayamaha tadeva Stri Pratyaya. For example, Aja. The Aja, we had some set of Pratyayas called Sri Pratyaya. They are top tip Dadrasham. They are and all Paniniya Vishayam. Neep, Nishiti, Bahavaha Pratyaya Santi. If we add that, we get Aja. From Ajaha, we get Aja. That is because of the addition of a Stri Pratyaya. I am guessing that E added here is a Stri Pratyaya, but I am not sure about it. I will check later.
Okay. So it can vary.
Yeah. So atra Vishayam kim ityukte Pratipatike eva Nakaraha Keshachana Ganeshu Sruyate Anyeshu na Sruyate iti. Tadeva Vishayam. So based on that, it depends whether Nakaraha Rupeshu asti va nasti va iti. Astu idanim
Mahoday, Pathati is Ekavachanam. Sir, Lakara form. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. That we have to take. Pathati, then Ti.
Yeah. Patati. Latlakarasya Vartamana Kalasya Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
From here we go.
This is the starting point for most of the Shatru Rupam for the deciding what the Rupam will be. We have to go for the Patati. Mostly the Latlakara Rupam. From there only we go.
Got it. Dhanyavada.
Astu. Idanim Prashant Mahodaya. Vadati ityasya Rupani vadatu kripaya.
Vadati, Vadata, Vadanti.
Vadanti Strilinge.
Vadanti. From here should I start?
Yeah. Vadanti, Vadantyau,
Vadanti, Vadantyau, Vadantyah. He Vadanti, He Vadantyau, He Vadantyah.
Kimartam atra nakarah asti pratamam tad vadatu. Vadanti iti kimartam uktavan. Kimartam vadati nasti.
Because of this ending which you said.
Uttamam. Vadati ityasya titaha purvam kim asti? Titaha purvam kaha varnaha asti?
The.
What is there in before ti?
There is the.
The itukte dakaraha akaraha.
Dakara.
So what is there before ti? Akaraha asti. Iti karana. So nakaraha karaniyaha va na karaniyaha va.
Whenever there is it is not done.
Nakaraha karaniyaha. Titaha purvam Rasva akaraha asti chet nakaraha karaniyaha. So it becomes vadanti. Avagatam va? So atra pashatu patati iti asti chet titaha purvam rasva akaraha asti. Ataha nakaraha karaniyaha, it becomes patanti.
Okay.
In karoti titaha purvam okaraha asti. Ataha nakaraha na karaniyaha. The rupam is kurvati. Avagatam va Mahoday? So that is the so only we get the rupam vadanti vadantyav vadantyaha. Ha. Idanim advitiya vibhakti arabhya vadatu.
वदन्तीं वदन्त्यौ वदन्तीः वदन्त्या वदन्तीभ्यां वदन्तिभिः वदन्त्यै वदन्तिभ्यां वदन्तिभ्यः वदन्त्या वदन्त्याः वदन्तिभ्यां वदन्तिभ्यः वदन्त्याः वदन्त्योः वदन्तीनां वदन्त्योः वदन्तीनां वदन्त्यां वदन्त्योः वदन्तीषु.
Sudha Mahoday, bhavati idanim गृह्णाति इति स्वीकरोतु. तस्य रूपाणि वदतु. पूर्वं प्रथमं नकारः करणीयः वा नास्ति वा इति उक्त्वा तदनन्तरं रूपाणि वदतु.
नकारः नास्ति.
किमर्थं?
गृह्णाति गृह्णन्ति. So it is आकारः. ति पूर्वम् आकारः भवति. So it is nakarah na bhavati.
Then rupam vadatu.
So it becomes gruhnati. Gruhnati, gruhnatyav, gruhnatyah. Gruhnati, he gruhnatyav, he gruhnatyah. Gruhnatim, gruhnatyav, gruhnatihi. Then gruhnatyah, gruhnatya. गृह्णतीभ्यां गृह्णतीभिः गृह्णत्यै गृह्णतीभ्यां गृह्णतीभ्यः गृह्णत्याः गृह्णतीभ्यां गृह्णतीभ्यः गृह्णत्याः गृह्णत्योः गृह्णतीनां गृह्णत्यां गृह्णत्योः गृह्णतीषु.
उत्तमम्. इदानीं उषा महोदय रचयति स्वीकरोतु.
रचयति is there. अतः नकार अस्ति. So it's रचयन्ति रचयन्ति रचयन्त्यौ रचयन्त्यः. हे रचयन्ति हे रचयन्त्यौ हे रचयन्त्यः. रचयन्तीं रचयन्त्यौ रचयन्तीः रचयन्त्याः रचयन्तीभ्यां रचयन्तीभिः रचयन्त्यै रचयन्तीभ्यां रचयन्तीभ्यः रचयन्त्याः रचयन्तीभ्यां रचयन्तीभ्यः रचयन्त्याः रचयन्त्योः रचयन्तीनां रचयन्त्यां रचयन्त्योः रचयन्तीषु.
Uttamam. So this is comparatively easy because we know the Gauri Shabdam. So Gauri Shabdam vayam janimah. Ataha Shatranta Strilinga Rupam Kinchit Sulabam Bhavati. Astu vayam sarve kripaya Shatrushanajanda Manjari Pustakam Swikurvantu. Vadatu Mahoday. Page number 19 Swikurvantu.
Mahoday, in Strilinga, 2-3, that is Dvitiya Bahuvachana. That is not the same as Panchami, Shashti, Ekavachana. Is that correct?
So Gauri, Gauri, Gauriyaha, Gaurin, Gauriyav, Gaurihi.
Mahoday, in Pullinga, 2-3 is same is
yeah. Patataha is similar to Panchami and Chaturthi.
Correct. So that is not true in Strilinga.
Yeah. That is not the case. Even in Gauri, it is not the same, right?
Yeah.
It's similar to Gauri Shabdam. The form depends upon the prakriya happening after once the supratyaya is added. So there are a lot of supratyayas are added. then they undergo a lot of sandhi as well as lot of sutram act upon that, and we get the final form. So it depends upon the antima varana of the letter, and also the supratya, and also the sutra acting and the sandhi acting. So it's not the same.
Okay, got it. Dhanyavada.
Shatrushanajanga Manjari, page number 19. अत्र गच्छति इति अस्ति खलु तस्याः अखिल महोदय आ इति भागमस्ति खलु तद् स्वीकरोतु अत्र केवलं सर्वं न वदनीयं गच्छति इत्युक्ते रूपं किम् अतीतः पूर्वं कः वर्णः अस्ति रूपं किं तदेव वदतु पञ्च स्वीकरोतु
below that there is this column, right? This is what I have to do.
I'm telling about the Shamyata. It's 18.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, gach plus a plus ti. This is there is a akaraha. Akaraha asti. So, janati is
akaraha asti adaha nakaraha karaniyah va nasti va iti uktva rupam vadatu.
Nakara nasti.
Okay, now we have to nakaraha karaniyah. So it will be gachanti.
Ekanimisham. इदानीं वदतु अहम् एकम् उदाहरणं वदिष्यामि गच्छति अकारः अस्ति गच्छन्ति
जानाति आकारः दीर्घ अस्ति नकारः न भवति
रूपं किम्
जानति
उत्तमं करोति
कुर्वति ओकार भवति ओकारः अस्ति अतः नकारः न भवति कुर्वति गृह्णाति आकारः अस्ति नकारः न भवति
Shamyatam, Mahoday, can you bring that page into the screen? I don't have the book.
Mahodaya, we don't share the book for copyright issues. Aham vadishyami tad shrutva bhavan kevalam shrunotu bhavatah samipe pustakam nasti chet कृपया क्रीणन्तु
स्नाति इति क्रियापदं स्नाति आकारः अस्ति दीर्घ अतः नकारः न भवति
it becomes snati रोहिणी महोदय भवत्याः समीपे अपि पुस्तकं नास्ति खलु अहं वदिष्यामि श्रुत्वा वदतु आप्नोति
नकारः नास्ति महोदय सो आप्नोति
कुप्यति तीतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति
अकारः सो कुप्यन्ति रचयन्ति
Shamyatam, I have shared the page on Signal. People who want to see can see.
Yeah. Dhanyavadah, Madhu. That is actually the best thing. We can share. We cannot share it through the screen. We can. Someone can share it in the WhatsApp or Signal. Rachayati.
Akara hrasva akarah asti. Ada rachayanti.
Rachayanti. Roditi.
रोदिति
तीतः पूर्वं किम्?
रोदिति रुदति महोदय।
रुदति। तीतः
रुदति
पूर्वम् इकारः अस्ति, अतः नकारः न
रुदति
करणीयः।
रुदति
रुदति। चिनोति
महोदय।
चिनोति
शृणोति
चिनोति
चिनोति चिन्वति
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 चिन्वति. So the form will be based on the बहुवचन form. उत्तमम्. इदानीं रीता महोदय भवती अग्रिमं करोतु. अग्रिमं शृणोति.
all the columns करणीया महोदय.
शृणोति केवलं तीतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति तस्य पुल्लिङ्गं स्त्रीलिङ्गं सर्वमपि करोतु.
शृणोति तीतः पूर्वम् ओकारः अस्ति, अतः शृण्वन् इति पुल्लिङ्गम् अस्ति. शृण्वति
शृण्वति. उत्तमम्. अग्रिमं
प्रेषयति तीतः पूर्वं यकारः अकारः अस्ति. प्रेषयन् इति पुल्लिङ्गं रूपं. प्रेषयन्ति
प्रेषयन्ति. उत्तमम्.
उत्तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठति तीतः पूर्वम् अकारः अस्ति. उत्तिष्ठन् इति सप्तपुल्लिङ्गरूपम्. उत्तिष्ठन्ति स्मरति तीतः पूर्वम् अकारः अस्ति, अतः नकारः भवति. स्मरन् पुल्लिङ्गं. स्मरन्ति
स्मरन्ति. उत्तमम्. हर्षा महोदय.
मम समीपे पुस्तकं नास्ति.
अहं वक्ष्यामि. शक्नोति.
शक्नोति. सो पुल्लिङ्गे शक्नुवन्. सो शक्नुवति. एंड ओकार अस्ति तदर्थं नकार न भवति.
अस्तु. निन्दति.
निन्दति अकार अस्ति. सो निन्दन्ति.
निन्दन्ति. निन्दन्ति. क्रीणाति.
क्रीणाति आकारः अस्ति, अथ नकारः न भवति. सो क्रीणति.
क्रीणति. उत्तमं. क्रीणन् क्रीणति. आह्वयति.
महोदय.
वदतु महोदय.
Mahoday, so when you say akara, it is hrasva, dirgha,
hrasvah eva.
Pluta, all the three.
न hrasvah eva.
hrasva.
तीतः पूर्वं ह्रस्व अकारः अस्ति चेत् एव नकारः श्रूयते. अतः नास्ति. अथवा नास्ति.
So what was the answer Harsha Mahoday just gave? What was the word?
क्रीणाति. For क्रीणाति तीतः आकारः अस्ति, अतः नकारः न श्रूयते. क्रीणति.
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 आह्वयति. ह्रस्व अकारः अस्ति तीतः पूर्वं. सो नकारः भवति. आह्वयन्ति.
आह्वयन्ति. उत्तमं. पृच्छति.
पृच्छति अकारः अस्ति चेत् सो पृच्छन्ति.
पृच्छन् पृच्छन्ति. उत्तमं. स्वीकरोति.
स्वीकरोति इस् ओकारः अस्ति चेत् सो पुल्लिङ्गे स्वीकुर्वन्, स्त्रीलिङ्गे स्वीकुर्वति.
कुर्वति. उत्तमम्. इदानीं काञ्चन महोदय. पश्यति इत्यस्य प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपाणि एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं सर्वमपि वदतु.
ओके. पश्यन्ति, पश्यन्त्यौ, पश्यन्त्यः. क्रीडति, क्रीडन्ति, क्रीडन्त्यौ, क्रीडन्त्यः. नमस्करोति, नमस्कुर्वति, नमस्कुर्वत्यौ, नमस्कुर्वत्यः.
जानाति इत्यस्य पञ्चम्यन्तं रूपं वदतु.
जानाति पञ्चम्यं. जानत्याः, जानत्याः, जानतीभ्यां जानतीभ्यः
उत्तमं भक्षयति इत्यस्य द्वितीयान्तं वदतु
भक्षयति भक्षयन्तीं भक्षयन्त्यौ भक्षयन्तीः
भक्षयन्तीं भक्षयन्त्यौ भक्षयन्तीः उत्तमं इदानीं राजश्री महोदय संगृह्णाति तस्य तृतीया विभक्त्यन्तं वदतु
नन् पुल्लिङ्गे संगृह्णाति
संगृह्णाति
सो नो नकार संगृह्णति is it संगृह्णति
प्रथमान्तं संगृह्णाति
which one should I say
तृतीया
संगृह्णत्या
संगृह्णत्या द्विवचनं
संगृह्णतिभ्यां संगृह्णतिभिः
उत्तमम् अग्रिमम् अलङ्करोति षष्ठी
अलङ्करोति so अलङ्कुर्वन् अलङ्कुर्वन् is the pullingam strilingam will be अलङ्कुर्वति so अलङ्कुर्वत्याः अलङ्कुर्वत्योः अलङ्कुर्वतीनाम्
उत्तमम् अग्रिमं चिनद्धि चिनद्धि एतत् किञ्चित् स्पेशल् रूपम् अस्ति सो चिन्दति इति प्रथमान्तं भवति
चिन्दति
चिद् इति धातु चिन्तयामि चिनद्धि so the form krudanta form will be chindati chindati अत्र ह्रस्वकारः अस्ति इतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति
अकारः
अकारः अस्ति वा तकारः अस्ति ची न इति अत्र नकारः नास्ति एक्चुअली so what we see the nakara is something in between chin chi and the not after the and the this is some special case so you can right now know that chindati is a roopam agrimam gachatu ganayati
ganayan and then will be the pullingam strilingam will be ganayanti
tasya saptami
गणयन्त्यां गणयन्त्योः गणयन्तीषु
उत्तमम् अग्रिमं धन्यवादः महोदय मीरा महोदय भवती करोतु अग्रिमं ददाति
ददत् पुल्लिङ्ग रूपं ददत् ददति
ददति तस्य चतुर्थी वदतु
ददत् ददति ददत् ददत् sorry चतुर्थी ददत्यै ददत्यै ददति ददतीभ्यां ददतीभ्यः
ददतीभ्यः उत्तमम् अग्रिमं बिभेति
which one is this dadat bibheti bibheti special verb bibhyat and bibhyanti
किमर्थं नकारः तीतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति
तीतः पूर्वम् एक नकारः नास्ति अत्र एकारः ए स्वरः अस्ति नकारः नास्ति बिभ्यति And which Rupam you want me to say?
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Bibhyatya, bibhyatibhyam, bibyatibhihi.
Uttamam. Agrimam sanchinoti.
Sanchinoti. Chinoti. Chinvati.
Uttamam. Tasya panchami.
Panchami sanchinvatyoho.
Sanchinvatyaha.
Sorry. Sanchinvatyaha. Sanchinvatyoho. Sanchinvatibhyam. Sanchinvatibhyaha.
Uttamam. Prapnoti.
Prapnoti. Prapnuvan. Prapnovati. Prapnuvati.
Tasya sashti.
Shashti prapnuvati. Vatyaha. Prapnuvatyaha. Prapnuvatyoho. Prapnuvatinam.
Prapnuvatinam. Uttamam. Agrim. धन्यवादः महोदय. इदानीं रामचन्द्रन् महोदय बध्नाति.
बध्नाति. बध्नन्. बध्नति.
बध्नति. तस्य द्वितीया रूपं.
तृतीया रूपं बध्नत्याः बध्नत्याभ्यां बध्नत्यै.
द्वितीयान्तं.
द्वितीया ओके. बध्नतीभ्यां बध्नत्योः बध्नन्तीः.
बध्नतीं बध्नत्यौ बध्नतीः. अग्रिमं रोदिति. रोदिति.
रोहिति. रोहन्.
रोहति नास्ति, रोदिति.
रोहिति.
क्रयिङ्ग्. क्रयिङ्ग् रोदिति.
रोदिति ओके. रुदति.
रुदति.
रुदन् रुदति.
रुदति. तस्य सप्तमी
रुदन्त्यां.
रुदत्याम्. अत्र नकारः नास्ति.
रुदत्यां रुदत्योः रुदत्तीषु.
उत्तमम्. अग्रिमं कुप्यति.
कुप्यति. कुप्यति. कुप्यन्.
तीतः पूर्वम् अकारः ह्रस्वकारः अस्ति.
कुप्यन्ति.
कुप्यन्ति. तस्य तृतीया
कुप्यन्त्या कुप्यन्तीभ्यां कुप्यन्तीभिः.
उत्तमं. रचयति.
रचयन्. रचयन्ति.
तस्य चतुर्थी
रचयन्त्यै रचयन्तीभ्यां रचयन्तीभ्यः.
उत्तमम्. आरोहति.
आरोहति. आरोहन्. आरोहन्ति.
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 षष्ठी
आरोहन्त्या आरोहन्त्योः आरोहन्तीनाम्.
उत्तमम्. अस्तु, इदानीं वयम् अग्रे गच्छामः. हरप्रसाद् महोदय, भवतः समीपे पुस्तकं नास्ति, चिन्ता नास्ति, अहं वक्ष्यामि, श्रुत्वा वदतु. माता गायति, पाकं करोति.
ओके. माता.
एकनिमिषं. दिस् इस् फ्रम् पेज् नम्बर् 23.
ओके.
माता गायति, पाकं करोति.
माता गायन् पाकं करोति.
माता गायति, समकाले पाकमपि करोति. द्वयोः वचनयोः मेलनं करोतु.
ओके. माता गायन्
गायति इत्यस्य रूपं किं भवति?
गायति. It has an akara, so there is a nakara. So pakam kurvanti.
अत्र एकनिमिषं करोति इति प्रधानक्रिया गायति इत्यस्य एव विशेषणरूपेण अत्र एकं विषयं द्रष्टव्यम् अत्र सो द मेन् रूल् फार् जायिनिङ्ग् टु सेण्टेन्स् अत्र वाक्यद्वयम् अस्ति माता गायति पाकं करोति द्वितीयं वाक्यं स्वीकरोतु का करोति
पाकं करोति
का करोति
माता
माता किं करोति
माता पाकं माता गायति
किं करोति
माता पाकं करोति
माता करोति का करोति माता किं करोति
माता पाकं करोति
कीदृशी माता पाकं करोति
गायति न I don't know the correct.
तीतः पूर्वं किम् अस्ति
तीतः पूर्वम् अकारः अस्ति
अकारः अस्ति चेत् नकारः करणीयः वा न करणीयः वा
करणीयं
करोतु
सो माता गायन्ति
गायन्ती पाकं करोति गायन्ती पाकं करोति
गायन्ती is a दीर्घ
दीर्घ that is the shatranta strilinga form.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Mata while singing
cooks.
So atra gayanti is the shatranta form. Agreement karotu. Balika snati.
Okay. Balika snati kakilim gayate. Snati ti purvam akarah asti. So it is nakarah asti. So
akarah asti chet atra तीतः पूर्वं दीर्घ आकारः अस्ति अतः as per the rule there should be no nakara but this is the gana of the this belongs to the second gana where there are optionally two rupam, so you can have either snati or snanti also.
The way I understood from you before was when you say akara it means hasva, dirgha and pluta. So all the three. So here in this case it is dirgha.
Satyam. So you can say only snati.
Nakarah asti.
Nakarah किमर्थं तीतः पूर्वं कः आकारः अस्ति
तीतः पूर्वं आकारः अस्ति
ह्रस्व आकारः अस्ति चेदेव नकारः श्रूयते खलु
only has I said okay
but your answer is correct it also has nanti because of the gana vishesha but this will not work out for other ganas.
Okay.
So if you go to Ashtadhyayi, Snati. This is Adadi Gana. This is sixth. Adadi is second Gana. So second Gana, if you go to Krudanta, it has optionally two Rupams, Nanti and Snati. This doesn't work. Actually, you can go for the simple rule. Titaha Purvam Rasvakaraha. That is the easiest way so that we can avoid mistakes. If you are able to remember this extra thing like sixth Gana Visesha and second Gana Visesha, it's fine. Otherwise, leave it. Not an issue. It has another option, another Snanti is also optionally correct.
Okay.
But you can keep only Snati for now because there is only Dirgha Akaraha.
Yeah. Okay.
Adhyapika likati.
Adhyapika likati chhatran bodhayati. Likhati akarah asti nakarah asti. So likanti.
Likanti adhyapika chatran bodhayati.
Yeah, adhyapaka likhanti chhatran bodhayati.
Uttamam. Rukmani Magadhi agreement karotu. Atrapi likati iti tudadi sashta ganasya dhatu ataha vikalpena rupadvayam api bhavati.
Oh. Okay.
So it is better to remember only the simple rule. Titaha purvam akaraha asti va nasti va. So agre yat memory, if you have a good memory power, you can remember these two, otherwise leave it. अग्रिमं वदतु महोदय. बालिका रोदिति शालां गच्छति.
रोदिति रोदिति इकारः. So रुदति बालिका शालां गच्छति.
उत्तमम्. अग्रिमं. भवत्याः समीपे पुस्तकमस्ति वा? पुस्तकमस्ति वा? Do you have the Shatru Shanach?
No, I don't have the book.
अस्तु, अहं वदिष्यामि. कर्मकरी वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति, स्वामिनीम् आह्वयति.
प्रक्षालयति वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति.
स्वामिनी आह्वयति. क्षम्यतां, दोषाः सन्ति, कृपया त्यजतु.
वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयन्ती कर्मकरी स्वामिनीम् आह्वयति.
सीता मातरम् अन्विष्यति. सर्वत्र भ्रमति.
मातरम् अन्विषन्ती सीता सर्वत्र भ्रमति.
मातरम् अन्विष्यति. मातरम् अन्विष्यन्ती सीता सर्वत्र भ्रमति.
सीता.
उत्तमम्. इदानीं प्रशान्त महोदय.
Like I don't have the book, so please.
अस्तु. मयूरी मेघं पश्यति. केकां करोति. अत्र दोषाः सन्ति, कृपया त्यजतु. अहं वेगेन टङ्कनं करोमि, अतः बहवः दोषाः आगच्छन्ति. मयूरी मेघं पश्यति, केकां करोति.
मेघं पश्यन्ति, मयूरी केकां करोति.
मेघं पश्यन्ती मयूरी केकां करोति. अवगतं वा? मेघं पश्यन्ती मयूरी केकां करोति.
What is kekam?
The sound which they produce.
Oh, okay.
गृहिण्यः पाककार्यं स्मरन्ति, जल्पनं स्थगयन्ति. गृहिण्यः पाककार्यं स्मरन्ति, जल्पनं स्थगयन्ति.
पाककार्यं स्मरन्ति.
गृहिण्यः पाककार्यं स्मरन्ति, जल्पनं स्थगयन्ति.
Like before tea, then it is now. And it is half. There is
you have to look for the latlakara prathama purusha ekavachana roopam, not the bahuvachana roopam. Swaranti iti bahuvachana roopam va la ekavachanam roopam va?
Bahuvachanam. Smarati.
You have to look for the ekavachana roopam. Prathama purusha ekavachana roopam eva drashtavyam.
Then it would be like pak karyam smaranti.
Smaranti. Atra gृहिण्यः iti asti.
गृहिण्य पाककार्यं स्मरन्ति, जल्पनं स्थगयन्ति. It would be then also singular. गृहिण्यः.
प्रथमं शत्रन्त प्रथम एकवचन रूपं किम् इति निर्णयं करोतु.
स्मरति. Smarati.
Smarati iti lat lakara ekavachana rupam. Shatranta pratama ekavachana rupam kim?
Smaran.
Smaran iti pullinge. Smarati.
Smarati.
अत्र तीतः पूर्वं कः वर्णः अस्ति?
R. It would be then A.
Then nakarah karaniyah va?
Karniya. Yeah.
So what will be the rupam?
Then smaranti.
Smaranti. Idanim smaranti iti shatranta strilinga pratama ekavachana rupam. Atra grihinyah iti bahuvachana rupam.
It would be then I don't remember the plural form.
Smaranti gauri shabdavat. Smaranti smarantyau smarantyah. Pakakaryam smarantyah grihinyah jalpanam stagayanti. Pakakaryam smarantyah grihinyah.
Jalpanam stagayati.
Jalpanam itukte chit chat, gossips.
Stagayanti, so
they stopped after remembering that they have to cook. They stopped chit chatting and they started.
Stagayati is stopped.
Stopped. Sudha Mahodaya agreement karotu. Sudha Mahodaya asti va?
Yeah. I'm here. Vidyadhinyah shlokartham jananti truptim prapnuvanti. So it is janati, janatyah. Okay. Shlokartham janatyah vidyadhinyah truptim prapnuvanti.
Uttamam. Agrimam.
Shikshikaah chatran pruchanti kopena tarjayanti. Chatran it's pruchanti. Pruchanti pruchantyah chatran pruchantyah shikshikaah kopena tarjayanti.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Usha Mahodaya agrimadvayam karotu kripaya. Usha Mahodaya.
I don't have the book.
Oh, evam va. Gopalikaah क्षीरं दोहन्ति. क्षम्यतां, दुहन्ति. कृष्णं स्मरन्ति.
So duhanti will become
दुहन्ति इति बहुवचने. तस्य रूपं किं? दोग्धि. दोहन्ति. दोहन्ति. दुहन्ति. This is duhdat. Dogdi.
Okay, dogdi.
This is a dvikarmaka dhatu we learned, right? Dogdi.
So dogdi.
Titah पूर्वं किम् अस्ति?
It's okara. Ikara or okara?
Something so akarah nasti, so kim bhavati?
Yeah. So nakara nasti. So
duhati iti bhavati.
Duhati.
Duhati. Duhan duhati iti bhavati.
Duhati. So Shiram duhati Gopalikaah. Shiram duhati.
Gopalikaah iti bahuvachane asti.
Bahuvachanam. So duhati, duhatyau, duhatyah. Duhatyah. Shiram duhatyah Gopalikaah Krishnam smaranti.
Uttamam. Agrimam.
Pipilikaah Sharkaram pashyanti vegena damanti. Pashyanti. Pashyanti akara bhavati. So pashyanti. Pashyanti pipilikaah bahuvachanam. पश्यन्ति पश्यन्त्यौ पश्यन्त्यः पश्यन्त्यः पिपीलिकाः शर्करां वेगेन धावन्ति
शर्करां पश्यन्त्यः पश्यन्ति पश्यन्त्यो पश्यन्त्यः पिपीलिकाः वेगेन धावन्ति।
sounded wrong.
अस्तु समयः अपि अतीतः, क्षम्यतां, धन्यवादाः। हर्षा महोदय कृपया शान्तिमन्त्रं वदतु।
महोदय ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम।
धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः।
धन्यवादाः। धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः।